Good afternoon, guys. So, where's my turn?
So I want to ask you a question: do you feel safe in India or not?
Yes, I feel very safe in India because there is no issue regarding this that I can say that I feel not good here.
But as I listened, I can also watch the news that there are also a lot of cases related to girls. So how you can say that you are feeling safe in this country?
If we want to live safely in our country, that time we also learn some defense style. If we know some defense style, that time we can say that yes, there is no one who can touch us. Yes, it is very easy task. It's a very easy task.
If a girl belongs to a village, so how she can learn defense things?
He can learn defense by his things. She can learn things. She can learn defense by his things. As we know about that girl doing work, so it is easy to learn.
But how
If we are talking about that
because
they
there are a lot of girls, so how we can make the schools for the separate schools for the girls?
I don't think that there is. I don't think that there is a need of separate girls for separate school.
We are giving this. If we are teaching this work only for girls, so we will have to make separate schools for the girls and separate cabin for girls, separate place to girls.
If we think about that yes, we do something separate for girls. It's not easy.
Yes.
And it's if we think about that yes, it should be separate. Girls live separate. So how she can define? How she can protect us?
But
she can't.
If we have to protect in this country, so how we are feeling safe in this country?
She can feeling safe because she have guts. Yes, we can feel if we try to defend ourselves, that time we can feel very easy. We can feel safe.
Why do we have to defend ourselves? Are we animals? So we will have to defend ourselves. We are also people.
It is happened. If something it happened. I'm not talking about only the girls. Boys also know about defense style. If they also know about some defense style, that time they can also protect us. And if it is depend on us that if we are in defense style, that time we can manage ourselves and we can also help to others.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
Fine, and you?
I'm fine. And ma'am, would you like to tell me that what the Indian manners?
Indian manners. If we are talking about
If a person asks you that tell me about your country, means what the manners of your country.
if we are talking about the manners, if there is no need to go anywhere, if we are talking about the G20's Seldom theme, its theme is one world, one future and one family. We can consider it that what is our culture, what is the purpose of it. There is no other theme. There is if we are talking about other countries, they have also organized the G20, but they have other theme. But in our country, our prime minister organized when our prime minister organized G20, that time they gave theme one world, one future, one family. It's mean we are same. There is no separation between us and another person.
So would you like to tell me that
This one line we can define easily our country. That what is our country?
Okay. Before incident, means if I talk about incident time.
Which incident?
Ancient time. So some people were used to talk to someone. First, we should say like this, means raise the hands like this. So, but now in this time, some students don't think we should follow the Indian culture. Means we should take a namaskar like this, and we should say something good morning, good afternoon. So like this.
If we are talking about the students, that they all followed our Indian culture. They didn't forget our Indian culture. We are not forget, and we can't forget our Indian culture because we are living in India. If we are talking about the we didn't use namaste like our hand. So there is also many person who use this way. So we can't say that we forget. Yes, we are not doing this because we are not feel comfortable. If we feel comfortable, we can do that work in which work we are comfortable.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
It's enough.